Hey, I'm Rachel, the CEO of Intrinio. This video will give you a complete overview of every type of options data that we provide at Intrinio. We'll cover historical, delayed, real-time, and tick options data, the differences, the typical use cases, pricing, product details, and more. Okay, here are the 4 different types of options products that Intrinio provides. End-of-day historical options data, 15-minute delayed options data, real-time options data, and intraday historical options data. We're going to cover each one individually so you get all the details, but for now, it's just important to understand a few things. All 4 of these options data feed products are the most affordable on the market. It's super easy to start with one type of data and then move to or add another type of data later on. All 4 of these products come with tons of resources, documentation, support, guides, and technical onboarding. Our team can set you up on a completely risk-free trial of any of the options data packages. We're also experts when it comes to exchanges, and we can make sure that you fill out exchange paperwork and pay any necessary exchange fees correctly. Okay, let's dive in and get started with our end-of-day historical options data. Intrinio's end-of-day options data gives you backward-looking options chains in multiple formats for U.S. options. This dataset includes closing bid and ask, volume, open interest change, next day open interest, implied volatility change, and Greeks. You get daily updates and over 2 years of history with this dataset, which is sourced directly from Oprah and includes 100% volume. Businesses and individuals alike can use this data, and you can get it delivered via API, CSV, S3, or Snowflake. Coming in at just $2,800 a year, this is our most affordable options data package. It's typically best for anyone building an options analysis app or website, but it's also useful for options traders who want to backtest or chart their options strategy. On the product page, you can get access to tons of resources, like our documentation and SDKs, plus some helpful how-to tutorials for getting started. Okay, let's go over some frequently asked questions about our end-of-day historical options prices. Are there any exchange fees? Probably not. Only in rare cases if you need data delivered before market close. How much history is available? Standard history is 2 years, but you can contact our team if you are interested in a bulk download of more history. What time is the data available? Typically 3 a.m., but it is available at 4:30 p.m. for an additional fee and exchange fee. Are Greeks for unusual activity and implied volatility included? They sure are. All right, next on the list is 15-minute delayed options. This product will get you reliable and consistent data on just a slight delay, cutting down big time on the exchange fees you'd otherwise have to pay for real-time access. This dataset includes bid, ask, last price, put or call, expiration date, exercise style, open interest, timestamp, unusual activity, Greeks, implied volatility, and volume. This data is sourced directly from Oprah and includes 100% volume, but no history. It's available for both businesses and individual use and has a 15-minute delay and is available via API or WebSocket. The 15-minute delayed options feed is available for just $9,600 a year, making it the most affordable way to access delayed options data on the market. This type of delayed options data is best for any display use case, options education, or trading websites and apps. If you scroll down on the product page, you'll find a full set of resources including API reference and docs, SDKs, useful how-to guides, and an instant chat. Now, here are a few of the frequently asked questions about 15-minute delayed options data. Can I take a free trial? Yeah. We work closely with Oprah to enable free trials for any interested users. Can I upgrade to real-time data? Absolutely. Our team can help you switch from delayed to real-time data at any time. Is pre- and post-market data available? No, not with our delayed options product. What are the exchange fees? If you are using the data internally, there are none. If you're displaying the data externally in any way, you'll need to pay a $650 a month fee to the exchange, and we can help you with this. What time does pre-market trading start? Pre-market trading starts at 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Is there a one-for-one pairing of calls and puts for each option contract? There is always a one-for-one pairing of put and call for each strike, but the contract count, as measured by open interest, for each side of those pairings can vary widely or be 0. Filtering out puts and calls with 0 value for open interest is a common best practice. Where are the weekly contract expirations for SPX and other popular instruments? Some, but not all option symbols have daily and weekly contract expirations. For example, SPX and SPXW are used for daily and weekly, respectively. You can use both symbols to get both daily and weekly contract expirations. Next, let's move on to the big kahuna, real-time options. If real-time is what you're looking for, this package will give you everything you need, plus some things you didn't even know you needed. Our real-time options data includes bid, ask, last price, expiration date, exercise style, put or call, timestamp, open interest, unusual activity, implied volatility, Greeks, and volume. This data is sourced directly from Oprah and includes 100% volume, but no history. It's updated in real time, available for both businesses and individual use, and is available via API or WebSocket. Our real-time options data is priced at $20,400 a year, a great deal, especially considering the high quality and reliability of the data and the extra features. Options data in real time is best for options trading websites and apps for pro users and active options traders. As always, the product page includes great resources for developers, our API reference, SDKs, how-to guides for getting started, and instant chat. Here are some frequently asked questions about real-time options data. What are the exchange fees? Oprah charges different fees based on your use case. Internal display use is $600 a month plus per user fees. For internal non-display, for use cases such as creating derived data or in trading models, there is a fee of $2,000 a month. Display use outside your firm is $1,500 a month plus per user fees. Per user fees are usually $1.25 per month for non-professionals and $31.50 for professionals, but our team will help you navigate all these exchange fees effectively. Are stock prices included? Yes. Stock prices are included to calculate Greeks, implied volatility, and the moneyness of option contracts. Users can upgrade from the free source of stock prices that's included if necessary. How can I take a free trial? Since this product requires exchange approval, we'll send you a form to fill out and we can quickly get approval from the exchange and start you a free trial. Is pre- and post-market data available? Sure is. What is open interest for real-time options data? This is a daily tag or item which is typically updated at pre-market around 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It is the number of open contracts at market open and it does not change throughout the day. What is the size of the data the WebSocket pushes out on a daily basis? For real-time options, 1 gigabyte per second should provide enough size. We suggest keeping in mind that since data is passed through it to another server, your upload speed needs to also match to get it to your other server. Okay, lastly, let's talk about intraday historical options. This product is similar to the end-of-day options data, but it includes bars in multiple formats. Extra granularity to supercharge your strategy or website. 1, 10, and 15-minute bars are available, as well as 10-minute full market snapshots, implied volatility, Greeks, and unusual options. The data is sourced directly from Oprah with 100% volume and comes with 2 years of history. It's a new product, so this history will grow over time. It's updated in real time and available for both businesses and individuals. Intraday historical options is available for just $4,800 a year. This type of data is best for quantitative options traders, backtesting, and more advanced options software integrations. Product-specific documentation, SDKs, and quick start how-to guides are all available on the product page. Let's move on to frequently asked questions about intraday historical options. Are there any exchange licensing requirements? If historical data is accessed after 3 a.m. Eastern on the morning after it is generated, no. Paperwork and additional fees are required for data generated 15 or fewer minutes before it is accessed. Are Greeks for unusual activity and implied volatility included? For intraday historical options, implied volatility has Greeks, but not unusual activity. Okay, we just covered all the details you need to know about Intrinio's 4 options products. End-of-day historical options data, 15-minute delayed options data, real-time options data, and intraday historical options data. As a reminder, if you choose to work with Intrinio, you get access to a ton of features and resources. Instant chat support, free trials, development discounts, technical onboarding, documentation, SDKs, and how-tos, plus seamless movement between packages. If you'd like to get started with a free trial of any of our options data packages, all you have to do is chat our team on our website or fill out a consultation form. I hope this was helpful. Please give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments or message our team on the website. Thanks for listening.